Want to show you radar this morning. We are seeing some rain down in northern Mississippi. Going to make it hard to get out of bed this morning. It's just a light, steady rain. A couple of rumbles of thunder here or there. No severe weather at all this morning. We do not have any watches or warnings, and I do not expect any, at least until a little later tonight. We have had some heavier pockets of rain in here from Holly Springs down to Oxford. Some thunderstorms down near Pontotoc and Tupelo, Mississippi. About 30 strikes of lightning here in the last 30 minutes or so. So some good rain, some thunder, but again, no severe weather at all this morning. Through the day today, we will have some off and on showers and storms. It's not going to rain all day today, but especially by this afternoon, we'll have some storms pop up. Some of those could be heavier with some thunder and lightning, but again, I do not expect any more severe weather until at least after 8 p.m. That is when that main round of storms is going to come through, and some of those could definitely be stronger. Much like last night, we do have a risk for severe weather in place, and this is why showing you our storm energy. Think about this as the fuel that the storms need to be severe. Not much right now, but we do have several rounds of storm energy that are going to come through the area overnight tonight. That is going to help those storms to become a little bit stronger. So that is why we are back in a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That includes Memphis, northern Mississippi, and eastern Arkansas. Other areas, most of western Tennessee, Covington, and Dyersburg, in that level 2 out of 5. So it's a very similar risk to what we saw last night. What that means is not every storm is going to be severe. Some certainly could be. Most of them are just going to be a regular thunderstorm, but we got to watch carefully those 1 or 2 or 3 storms that do decide to turn severe. Highest risk for that would be 8 p.m. tonight to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So really at any point overnight tonight, there is a potential for some severe weather. Again, starting off this morning, we've got the rain in northern Mississippi. By 9 a.m., a lot of that is done. Most of the morning might actually turn out dry. But by this afternoon, we'll see those spotty showers and thunderstorms starting to redevelop. Again, I do not expect severe weather with this round of storms, but there definitely could be some heavier rain in here this afternoon and evening. I'm really going to start watching the radar by about 8 p.m., especially closer to 10 p.m. We'll start to see some thunderstorms develop in eastern Arkansas. Those could become severe, and then we'll have to watch this line of storms that starts to move through by 3 a.m. into eastern Arkansas, 4 a.m. into Memphis, 5 and 6 a.m. into western Tennessee, northern Mississippi. That line of storms likely to be in Corinth by about this time, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then it moves out. So by 7 a.m. tomorrow, the rain is done, but it is going to remain very, very breezy through the day tomorrow. Here's a look at those storm threats. Again, I want to remind you tonight, not every storm is going to turn severe, but a couple of those could, and those couple of storms could produce damaging wind gusts of 60 miles an hour. Flooding rain, definitely a concern. We could see an extra inch of rain. Some small hail possible, and again, in those strongest of storms, we cannot rule out a tornado. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Again, that's coming through while many of us are asleep tonight, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. tomorrow. That's our best chance to see severe weather. So make sure you've got a way to get a weather alert in case one of those bad storms is headed toward your neighborhood. Make sure it's a way that's going to wake you up. Tomorrow, we are going to see the rain move out. It's going to be breezy tomorrow. Gusts as high as 50 miles an hour. Temperatures in the 50s by the afternoon. Sunshine this weekend. Highs back in the 60s. 70s next week with a slight chance of rain Tuesday night. Temperatures falling with some more rain showers. 58 on Wednesday.